Well, I'm in the forensic world, so we are typically specifying them. Actually, we've been specifying them for over 20 years in all of our repair plans for foundation repairs, for pier detailing. So Pieresearch, the products have been on our specs for over 20 years now. Well, we specify Pieresearch products because they're dependable, reliable. They give you a product that you are expecting in your installed condition. Rebar cage alignment is critical. If you don't get your proper clearances, you end up with corrosion of your reinforcement, and you don't get what you paid for. Honestly, these have been so successful that I've never really tried any others in recent years. Like I said earlier, we've specified these for over 20 years, and we've never had any complaints about them. I've personally seen them installed, the pier liners and the bolster jacks, and they are easy to install. They work very well. The contractor just slips them on the rebar cage and goes right in the hole. I would recommend Pieresearch to colleagues. I have done that and will continue to do so. Products are as built. They work very well, and so they've worked very great for me over the years on projects.